morning and departing. Check it out what's happening around. We have quite beautiful day. Banana, water zone. Water can go there. So I'm going to check some dams, make some drone flights. The family is still in the bed sleeping, so I'm free to go. So today will be kind of some journey. I don't know, maybe I will get some beaver dam to remove. So there was actually my yard where I'm living. And yeah, today we have plus 2 degrees by Celsius. And it's the last day, I think, in coming week when I can do it, because 2 days after we will have minus 15 degrees, something like this. So I have a chance to check it out today and maybe make some action. Yeah, our family was a bit sick 1 week ago, so everybody was traveling and meeting my grandparents. They met three different families, if I can say. And maybe then we got some virus. I don't know, but most likely, because not only we got sick, some from this crowd too, but we are getting better. My child is getting better too. Roberta didn't look that she's feeling bad, so I'm happy about that, of course, because the worst thing I think that could happen for the child is get sick, and you don't know what's going on, which part of the body feel for a baby feeling sick. Came approaching my warehouse. So this is the gates. Actually, it's quite big ones. It's about 3.5 meters of height. The entry is from another side. Some old body. friend's mother's house. So here I have plenty of space to store mini excavator or something like this. My old rake is still broken, but I will take another one from my grandfather today. We had a lot of snow before, 1 week or 2 weeks. If you checking my videos, you saw from one of them that there was some video, but now we don't have anything left. So all channels is full of the water again, and for me it's interesting to check how much water in the channels is now. Yeah, we will see soon. Usually this canal is nearly empty, and this forest is where we are going to collect the mushrooms on autumn time. I don't know if you are doing this in your countries, collecting of wild mushrooms, so it's one of the best dish for me. Okay, there's someone who's been in the forest. There is some tractor. Yeah, we're getting less and less forests in our country because now we can't buy woods from third parts like Russia or Belarus. So who was both the forests, now they are cutting it and selling, I think. Water is running well, and right now I don't think that I need to make some changes there, so I will wait maybe spring to come or some more. beavers going to clog this pond some more. Yeah. Okay, so let's go further to the other dam. I have 2 more dams, so we will see how it's going to look there. Yeah, so still we have some assholes which brings garbages to the forests. I don't know how it's possible to do it. You are living in the countryside. You are living there because you love the nature, you love to be in nature, and then you are making such a things. It's pathetic. Okay, let's go and check what's going on there. As we see, the beavers didn't make the new dam here. And yeah, it works. Who's telling that the beavers will build beaver dam again? So they were wrong. Okay. I can't fly with the drone right now because it's a bit rainy, but there is one more dam. I see that the water here is lower than usual, so the other dam should be not rebuilt too. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.